one guys, I make tapos. First, I put the oil and then I add the onions. The onion I cut in small cubes. Then I add little lemon powder. This is it, lemon powder. And then I add our mushroom slice. And we make mix and then we can cook, and that's it guys, because this one I put toppings in the rice. And thank you for watching. That's it.